If you want to run a Zap in Zapier, this quick tutorial will show you exactly how to do it in just a few steps. This is perfect if you already built a Zap and you want to test it, trigger it manually, or make sure everything is working before you leave it on automation. If this video helps, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more simple software tutorials just like this. Alright, let's jump in. First, go to Zapier and sign into your account. Once you're inside the dashboard, scroll down until you see the section called Jump Back In. This area makes it easy to find the Zaps you were recently working on, so you do not have to search around the entire dashboard. Now, take a moment to locate the Zap you want to run. Click on the specific Zap from the list. This will open that automation so you can view its details and make sure you are running the correct one. If you manage several workflows, always double check that you selected the right Zap before moving forward. Once the Zapier is open, look to the top right corner of the screen. You will see the Run button there. Click Run to manually start the Zap. Zapier will then execute the automation based on the setup you already created. This is especially useful when you want to test whether your trigger and actions are working properly. For example, if your Zap sends data between apps, creates records, or posts updates automatically, running it manually helps you confirm that everything is connected the way you expect. After you click Run, give Zapier a moment to process the automation. Depending on the steps inside your Zap, it may take a few seconds to complete. If the Zap runs successfully, you should see the actions carried out inside the connected apps. If something does not work the first time, do not worry. Go back and check your trigger, connected accounts, and action settings. A small setup issue can usually be fixed quickly, and then you can run the Zap again. And that is how you run a Zap in Zapier. It is a simple process. Go to Zapier, find your Zap in, jump back in, open it, and click Run from the top right. That's it. If this tutorial helped you, please hit like and subscribe for more easy step-by-step software guides. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.